Doing does not add up to me.
Adam will do something clever with it. Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a full review of the Leo Lou 2. I've had it for about a month. It's been flawless. So there's been no errors, no issues. It stays very pleasantly surprised how clean it stays for a month. If you get in here close, you guys can see there is some stains there, which I believe that's just going to wipe up. I may down the road do a video on taking apart and showing how easy it is to clean, but the videos I've seen, baby wipes will get that up. You can see it's clean. I've seen some other videos of its competition, and those litter boxes can be very dirty. So you guys can see it's in use right now. So there's some cat waste in there. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put this cookie in there, and I'm going to initiate the cleaning process and then show you guys that. So the cat goes in. Let's put some weight down on there. Make it look like the cat was in there. Go to the bathroom, and the cat gets out. So what I'm talking about, I've got it set for 1 minute. So it should initiate a clean cycle, and I'll show you guys that. But it's been great. No smells. So this comes with, you can put filters in it. To be honest with you, I've neglected the filters. They're good for 2 weeks. Guys can get the carbon filters or not. They go inside the drawer. So when you open up the drawer, obviously there's gonna be smell. And you just pull that bag. Let me show you guys. You basically lift this lid and pull this bag out. It's got little drawstrings. Wonderful system here, big bin. You gotta put a fresh bag in, or you can use your own bags. You close it, it's ready to go. It's gonna dump that cookie. So what I was worried about when I got this was how the cats were going to take to this litter box. So what I did is I set this up and I put it downstairs next to their old litter box. And they kind of snuck around it. Like I watched them a few times, and my daughter watched, and they would kind of go into it and get out. They didn't know what to think. And within 48 hours, both cats, I have 2 cats. One, his name is Thomas, and the other one is Charlie. And they both have gone in here for a month. No problems at all, no accidents. I haven't had any leakage. You guys can see there's no liquid spilled outside of it or anything. It's pretty deep in there. Yeah, it's been great. A month, I would say you could go another, I could say a month and a half to 2 months before you really have to empty this thing out and do a clean on it. So the cats took to it very well. After it cleans, the waste goes down into the drawer, and then for 15 minutes, a UV light will turn on inside that drawer. And that will basically kill 99.99% of bacteria, different things in their waste, and smells. So there's really never a smell with this. It just smells like fresh litter all the time. So that's a great plus right there, to have it, just not have any smells. Because I mean, a normal litter box is, if you're lazy and you go 2 or 3 days, it's going to get dirty and it's going to smell. And people come in your house, they're gonna know, but not with one of these. What else does this one have? This one comes apart real easily. I'll show you guys. The lid comes up. It's not going to do its initial run. So this thing has radar. So anytime you get close to it, it knows the cat's getting ready to enter the box. So that's a safety feature. So they use radar. There's a bin full sensor. So when that bin is full, it's gonna give me a message on my phone saying, hey, the bin is full. When you get time, pull the bag, put another one, put the drawer back. It's good for another, for me, I have 2 cats. It's good for about a week, week and a half. So if you have 1 cat, 2 weeks. 3 cats, yeah, less. Cats go a lot. So you see the lid came off. This one doesn't really have a handle, but you can, let me grab this out of here because I want you guys to see what I see. Set this down. It's got these little balls, these little wheels, and those wheels are what this pivots on. I'll tell you what, guys, this is cleverly done. It's been a month and it is not even dirty inside here. Let's put this globe back and see what's going on. Yeah, I see. It goes back in here. It sits right down in there. Let's put this lid back on and we're gonna do a clean. Everything's been automatic for me. I haven't done no manual cleaning for this at all. Let me hold this down, turn it back on. There we go. Let you guys see a complete clean cycle here. I wanted to keep this under 10 minutes because there's only so much I can say about this box. If I had negatives, it would be a lot longer video, but I don't. You guys can see there how it filters through the litter. And guys, this litter's been here for over 2 weeks and it is still sifting perfectly. There you go, there's some cookie. And it's gonna fall down right down through the hole. And then you can see the fresh litter is being spilled back in. It does a complete 360 circle. Look how fresh that guy looks, guys, and how clean this thing is for being a month. There are no worries, guys, if this is, now it levels itself back out. It's good to go. Perfectly clean litter for your cat, guys. And all the research I've done, cats love their litter box to be clean. So you could set this up to, I think it's up to 30 minutes. I set mine at 15. You can go online and read it. There's a lot of, it's amazing how many articles there are and how long you set it for. But for me, 10 to 15 minutes, the pee or poop that they do inside there, it's good to go. It's clumped. You get some good litter in there. And it cycles and it keeps it clean. As you guys see, 15 minutes is the key for me. There's no mess, there's no sticky waste on the side of it, anything like that. So yeah, guys, this has been a great litter box. In the comments, go on and leave some comments and I will answer your questions if you have any specific questions for this litter box. There's a lot of different ones on the market, but from what I could tell, this gets awesome reviews and I see why. So just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that the cats took to this great. They've been using it for a month. I'm giving you my review. It's fantastic. So there's going to be a link in the description box there for you guys to buy this. And you can leave comments if you have one. Let us know how many cats you have and their names. And yeah, this comes in 4 different colors. I got the blue, they've got pink, they've got gray, I think green. The price is $5.99. You could get it on sale sometimes for $5.49. But yeah, this is an incredible investment. Yeah, it's a little expensive. The good ones are. There's some cheap ones out there that I would stay clear of. But this one here, you pay the price, you throw some litter in there, it's going to be a lot less cost on your litter, how much you spend per week or month on litter. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Share it with people that have cats so we can get this, get the word out there how great this litter box is, and it can help a lot of people because this is a game changer. Definitely a game changer for people that do not want to scoop litter. If you're elderly, if your litter box downstairs, this is great. Leave it, forget it for a week or two, come down, change the bag, you're good to go. But yeah, that's all I can think of, guys. But you can go to their website, it'll be linked in the description. Go in and get yourself one of these and let us know what you think. Until the next video, everybody have a great week, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.